Hello researcher, welcome to my channel Pixai. In this video I illustrate how you publish a good quality figure in various type journal. In this video I demonstrate how to download Inkscape and how to plot and editing in Inkscape. Okay, let's go. First open Chrome browser and typing Inkspace, enter, and first option was click and open Inkspace website and click download and download stable version. Open and scroll down and click Windows installer package. Okay, wait 2 to 3 seconds. Download was started. Because I already download, so I cancel my downloaded and go to the my downloads folder and click the for installation. Already I installed, so I cannot install process and cancel my installation process. After installation I click Inkspace and open Inkspace application, and quick to set up you can change the theme of the Inkspace, and right side time to draw, click the time to draw, and lower side new document. After clicking new document, open Inkspace interface. Left and right various function was available. First adjustment page settings. Where you working file, click the file and go to the document properties, and first set the working space. Now we choose the inch and width and height, select 32 inch for better visibility and better visual, and cross the document properties. After document properties we set the margin for a paste plot. First drag and down left to right, okay, and drag and left to right and set the margin where I paste. First you divided two parts, okay, upper and lower and middle, because of the when I pasting plot better for adjustment. Okay, and clicking and drag upper to lower, left to right, and writing for A and B, figure A and B. So I first set A B margin for where I paste writing for A and B. Okay, after setup I go to the origin folder for copy for graph, and okay, and go to the origin folder and I open one graph for here is clear in black, and open origin here. Okay, open, waiting for time some time, and okay, I open, and first go to the edit section and copy page. After copy page and minimize the origin plot and go to Inkspace and paste here. Just Ctrl V, copy and click object and group. You can also group Ctrl plus Z, and after grouping for maximize the graph and set for this left side region. You can check it perfect or not. I check and I something right side is okay, it's done. And go to the next plot and just previous one, edit and copy page and minimize and just Ctrl V and group. Okay, done. And okay, after grouping we maximize the graph and check for previous one this size is perfect or not. Just click and superimpose another one and decrease the size, and this is perfect and done. And you check both sides are perfect. And okay, before writing A or B, upper region slightly down, okay, and perfect, and another upper margin slightly down. Okay, that's perfect. I write A and B for left side. Okay, set slightly. Okay, and click the left side A icon and typing A. First set the Arial and check okay, all perfect, and apply. The color show orange. First select fill and select black. Okay, that's good, perfect, and slightly lower down and left. Okay, done. And same done for B, figure B. Okay, this was perfect. Okay, slightly down. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay, first plot I something gradient fill. Okay, just click and object and ungroup. And for selection, first select the lower part, and you can choose any color. Okay, this is for a black. Okay, I change the color. Better for this color is orange. You can check, you can mix the two color mixer, various type of color. Okay, I only choose one color gradient, so I choose the orange and select the gradient to left side and just drag and down. That's perfect or not. Okay, you can rotate and left to right, right to left, for checking which size is perfect or not. Okay, after you or your visualization. Okay, this is perfect now. And after another plot is selected and select green color. Okay, because upper color is green and set now, and this plot must be set in backside. Okay, for because two plot are visible, another mix up two plot. Okay, after done we select all are grouping, just Ctrl plus Z. Okay, yeah, next part, how to background the graph. I saw that the nature paper, there's various type of background and color gradient. Okay, so how to plot and how to draw this type of background. Just click the left side, the rectangular part, and cover the all plot. And cover. Now select. Okay, and change the color. Previously gradient color, I choose gradient color and check which colors were better. Your paper, your color gradient, and where the color gradient we apply, left to right, right to left, middle, lower, and you can check the fill right side and check the various type of color gradient. Okay, I just fill first one, and here I choose light orange color for better visualization. Light color is for perfect background. Okay, after set the color gradient and just click for backward for better perfect and better visual for the graph. After all are set, just click the document file and document properties, and click the resize to content. After all are perfect, and high resolution picture sent to Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. So first in Inkscape main file set as a 96 dpi. So change the dpi at first. Just click right hand side and select export and select the 96 to 300 dpi for the better quality. After set 300 dpi, click the file and as a save as a Word extension file. Just click as a ns meta file for Word. Just ns meta file and save the folder. After saving EMF extension, and just open Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, click a blank account and open the writing anything you are just writing. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Because of this type of video you want to get, so must be click the bell icon. After writing, then enter the insert and click picture and select the where the file was saved. I just saved and video, desktop and video. Okay, and click and insert. That's all perfect. And now for your publication.